I'm Megan, and this is Brayden, and today we're going to talk about our C4 conversion systems.
Ram offers a wide range of push conversions for the 1989 to 96 Corvette.
These systems use a dual mass flywheel, which is sprung in the center, and they're prone to wear over time. The factory clutch in the 89 to 96 Corvette apps is a pull-style clutch. The fork pulls the fingers back to disengage the clutch, versus a push-style clutch, the conventional style, which pushes the clutch to disengage. It also has an external slave cylinder to operate the clutch fork.
Ram push conversion systems give you a complete package.
Our kits include an internal hydraulic bearing to replace the fork and external slave. Ram offers a wide range of clutch styles and types using this transmission. We also make the system available for a wide range of engine combos, including the 1- and 2-piece rear mains, internal or external balanced engines.
So what are the package options? Single and dual disc kits feature Ram's balanced billet steel flywheels with their signature ground finish, ready to install out of the box. Single disc kits are available in the HEX Organic, Power Grip HD Metallic, with a 2,400 pound clamp load, including the billet steel flywheel and an optional aluminum flywheel for road racing and autocross.
Our dual disc kits feature the Concept 9.5 dual disc kit, which has a 2,000 pound clamp load, a choice of 300 organic or 900 metallic friction facings. It includes the billet steel flywheel or optional aluminum for road race or autocross applications. And as mentioned, the kits include Ram's fully adjustable hydraulic bearing, and it includes your lines, fittings, and adapters to connect to the 89 to 96 Corvette master cylinder.
For more information, follow the link below in the description.